How to make PDF file on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Photos application on your device and further navigate to the photo that you want to add or make a PDF of. Now, once you have navigated to the picture, go ahead and simply select the pictures that you want to make as PDF. Once selected, tap on the share icon on the bottom left of your screen and you will see the option for Save to Files. Tap on the Save to Files option you see there and you will then be required to select a location where you want to save the file. So choose your desired location and then tap on the Save option you see there. Once saved, go ahead and open the Files application on your device and further navigate to the photos or the file that you just saved. Now, you can simply open individual pictures and then go ahead and make a PDF of it, or if you want, you can also make PDF of the entire file altogether. So firstly, let us see how to make a PDF for one picture. So hold on the picture that you want to make PDF of and you will see the option for Quick Actions. Go ahead and tap on the Quick Actions option you see there and you will then see the option for Save as PDF. Tap on it in order to save the picture as PDF, and as you can see, the file has been saved as PDF. Now, if you want to make PDF of multiple pictures or files, then simply tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for Select. Tap on the Select option and then go ahead and select the pictures or the files that you want to convert to PDF and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen and you will see the option for Quick Actions. Tap on that and then tap on the Create PDF option you see there, and with this, as you can see, the PDF file for that particular folder has been made. So this was about how you can make a PDF file on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.